game against San Miguel, you lose a big lead, you give the other team a chance to win in the fourth quarter. What are the lessons that should be learned by now? Because maybe it's the next game, coach, you don't escape with a victory.
Ano parati yun eh, it's always a mental collapse. No? It's just relaxing when you feel that you have a good lead. Madalas mangyari pero andun pa rin yung swerte. No? One of these nights, hindi namin masusurvive yung ganong mga rally. But hanggang may momentum, hanggang sinuswerte, we'll take the wins. No, a win is a win. We have 6 wins. I think it's good enough to make the quarters. But para makasigurado, kailangan siguro mga 7 wins. Also, we wanted this win really for Gabe. No, we did not want to disappoint him on his day of jersey retirement. Mas masaya si Gabe pag maganda yung nilaro ng team. So it's really an effort by the team just to keep honoring Gabe's legacy sa franchise na.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, may sign ba of fatigue early, at least early on the game?
Wala pa naman ako nakikita. No, we had a very light practice yesterday. We watched video. We tried to run some walkthroughs just in case we got zoned because we felt that that was our weakness in our last game. So pinaghandaan namin yung zone. Medyo okay naman kanina, nakasoon na sila pero nabutas namin, nakadalawang 3-point shot si Kayla. Also, JJ's 3-point shots were going in. We were just trying to find him and set him up. He was in foul trouble, no, but we managed. I think the more important thing is we try to ride the momentum, wherever it takes us. Darating araw mamalasing kami, pero sana huwag muna agad. So, kailangan, you need 6 or 7 wins for the quarters. And if you make that, ang next objective mo is twice to beat. I think you need to be sure 9 wins to get to there. To get the twice to beat advantage. So, pag naka 7 wins kami, pwede mong pag-isipan yun. Pero habang wala pa, focus muna sa susunod na laro.
Aiden, congratulations. Aiden, you hit 2 crucial 3-pointers down the stretch. Can't convert that by big or those 3-point shots.
Say that again?
Your 2 3-point shots in the last.
Oh yeah, all credit to the team, all credit to like the coaching staff, everybody. They set me up to, like I said, to be great right there. And what we drew up worked, and like I said, it's all thanks to everybody in the team, the staff.
Jaden, you're 6-0. It seems getting the quarterfinals is a matter of when, but how will you try to keep this form going to the latter half of the eliminations?
Well, just the mindset of, like I said, we haven't did nothing yet. The main goal is the main goal. We want to get all the way to the end. And like I said, we just, like I said, kind of work every day, consistency, and it's showing on the court. Like I said, kudos to the staff. They preparing us every day. And yeah, we going out there showing, just giving our effort every day.
New dance move today?
Yeah, I learned that from Luke Cornett, Dak Prescott, and I had to do something for Gabe. It was his retirement day, so I had to have a little fun out there.
Coach, anong sabi sa next games ninyo? Kaya firma ay finish sa atin.
We really do not distinguish whether we're playing a good team or a not so good team or a team that has chances for or contending. We just want to improve. We just want to be able to be consistent, learn from our mistakes. It's it's a mental trap actually. If you keep winning, you think you're good enough, and then bigla kang babagsak sa sa lupa. So pwedeng mangyari yun, pero yun nga, sinasabi namin sa mga players namin, wala pa tayong napapatunayan. Trabaho lang tayo.
Coach, tulungan natin yung ring Ocean, parang good vibes siya from the players to the ball boy, and malaking bagay na si Jalen din good vibes
Yeah,
din
of course,
yung dinadala.
that counts a lot. No? The vibes, the atmosphere, the just the environment that we create with the team. It's we always have fun practices, but we always have competitive practices. And Jalen really fits us not only with his style of play, but with his personality and his character. It's a good thing we scouted him through KQ. We asked for KQ's inputs on Jalen, and he guaranteed that he was a good dancer. So that's because of that.
Thoughts on that?
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, he's right. KQ called me to practice in South Korea. KQ called me with him on the phone, and from there, it's just like I said, it's been a great day ever since. Shout out KQ too for getting a year over here also.
Jalen, can you teach coaching?
That's
We
too
get
old
the
for that.
championship, we're gonna have to do some dances.
Coach, ano lang, may may fear or at least worry about the team slacking down because of...
Yeah, that's always a fear of coaches, especially if you're on a winning streak. Nagbabantay ka rin kung kailan ito no? So, we just try to be consistent with what we do and what we do in practice. It takes years to mature. No? We've been making the semifinals 4 out of the last 5 conferences. And I think that's part of the maturity already. So, although wala pa kami ron ngayon, talaga ito nakakatulong, yung malaking tulong yung experience na yun. Hindi ka naman agad biglang gagaling na lang. There's a process to it, so we're just going through that process.
Coach,
Thanks, Coach. Thanks, Jalen.